Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a wedgie. I'm going to show you both left side and right side dominant, a way to get in the move and a way to get out, and just give you like some little tips and tricks at the end to help you get this move down. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you the move first, and then we'll just get right into it. So this is the move. That is if you're right side dominant. If you're left side dominant, just like this. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. So you're gonna start with your hula hoop directly in between your legs, just like this, right in the center. I'm gonna start with my right side dominant because I'm right dominant. So start with the hoop directly in between your legs, and you're gonna put your left foot inside. That is just kind of the positioning of the hula hoop, and that's how we're gonna get into it. So I'm actually gonna show you guys first. I'm gonna put my hula hoop down. The basic like concept and movement of this. So all you're doing is you're twisting, and you're kind of doing this little marching action with your feet. So it's twist, 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 up, down, kind of like, I don't know, real cute. Twist, twist, up, down, twist, twist, up, down. So now that's kind of like the basis of how you're gonna be moving your body. So again, you're gonna put the hoop in between your legs, left foot goes inside, and you're gonna get that twisting motion. I'm gonna show you guys while holding it at first so that you can see how the hoop is supposed to fall naturally. So I'm gonna twist to my right, so the hoop's gonna fall on my right. I'm gonna twist to my left, and with that momentum, the hoop should hit your back, like this. So I'm gonna twist down, and it's gonna fall on my right side. Twist up, it's gonna hit my back on my left side. So down, up, down, up. And again, you're kind of doing that little march motion with your feet, and of course the swinging twist action with your hips. So I would say this is a good way to like start, so you know how the hoop is supposed to feel and how it's supposed to land and where it's supposed to hit you on your body. So on the right side, it's gonna come on that left side of your leg. You're gonna fall down on your right side, and then it's gonna come back up, and it's gonna hit your left like shoulder right here. So I would say just practice doing that until you don't need your hand. It's really hard to just gain momentum from nothing. So I would say if you're using your hand to start, you can kind of go down and up, and then when you're ready to let go, kind of give it a little push so that it already has a little bit of momentum to keep you going. And then yeah, so after that we're gonna go to, so basically you're gonna start with keeping your hips, not your hips, your thighs. You're gonna keep your thighs really close together for this move. You wanna like grip the hula hoop with your thighs, keep it really tight, and keep that swinging motion. And you want it to hit the back of your shoulder pretty hard at first. I always say really exaggerate your moves to start with. That way you just get like that muscle memory, you get the strength, and then eventually you won't need to exert as much energy. It'll just kind of flow. So when you first start, just kind of like really exaggerate like that hip movement and hit your back as hard as you can. Get those bruises. Shows that you're doing it right. You're definitely gonna get some bruises in between your thighs and on your back. So now I'm gonna show you guys left side. So same concept, you're gonna put the hoop in between your legs, like so, and you are going to step your right leg inside. So right in the middle, right leg inside. So now you have like that little swinging action again. And same thing, you can kind of use your opposite hand to guide the hula hoop where you want it to go. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Don't forget that little marching motion, little swinging action with your hips, and you're gonna go up. So when you're ready, kind of fling it towards your back to give it that little momentum. Also keep your hands away from the hula hoop. You can put them behind your head. That's kind of like the most common place to put them. That way you're not getting all caught up in the hula hoop. So when you're doing this move, just kind of keep your hands behind your head. This move is done solely with just your legs and your hips. Don't need your hands at all. You will get there. So a way to get into this move, I would say, to like get you that momentum going, because it's really hard to just kind of start and like try and you have to kind of like really kick. I mean, it's possible, but I think for like beginners, it might be a little bit harder to get that momentum to just go. So a way I get into this move a lot is really easy. I just throw it onto my leg. So I'll throw it so that it lands in between my legs. So I'm going to throw it onto my left leg, put my left leg down, let gravity help. Gravity's going to bring the hoop down, and you're going to swing it back up. So a way to do that faster is just, I'll show you guys this from all angles. And a way to get out of this move, also really easy. So you're gonna get in, throw it onto your leg, do a couple swings. Once the hoop is up, you're gonna grab it. Your thumb is gonna be facing towards you, and now you're gonna face your thumb away from you. So the hoop is up. Once it comes up, you're gonna catch it. Thumb is facing towards you, thumb is facing away from you. Now you're in this position where the hoop is behind your right leg and your left leg is still inside. Now you're just gonna step your right leg inside. So now both legs are inside the hoop. And now your whole body's inside the hoop, which makes it super easy to just bring it right off. So I'll show you guys that again. So we're gonna go on the body, and when you're ready to get out, you're gonna catch it while it's up, thumb facing in. Now I'm gonna turn so that my thumb is facing away from me. My left leg is still inside. And now I'm going to bring my left leg inside. Now my whole body is inside the hoop, and I can do whatever I want, take the hoop off. So same thing with the, if you're left side dominant. So you get into this move, throw it onto your right leg, kicking up, up. And once the hoop is up, I'm gonna catch it. My right thumb is facing towards me right now. And now I'm gonna face it away from me. So it's in, out, in, out. So now my right leg is inside the hoop, my left leg is outside the hoop. And I'm just gonna bring it in. And now my whole body is inside the hoop, and I can take the hoop easily off my body. Super easy. Getting in and out of the move is not too bad, but the actual move itself is a little tricky. It does take quite a bit of practice. You're gonna end up with a lot of bruises, and it does take a lot of strength. So don't get frustrated, keep trying. You will get it, guaranteed. If you do this move every day for at least 10 minutes, you're gonna get it in a week, and it's gonna be awesome. So just a little bit of like tips and tricks for this move. I'm using a 26-inch 5/8 Pulley Pro hoop. It's super lightweight, really easy to maneuver, really easy to just kind of do for a lot of tricks. So the heavier the hoop, the harder it's gonna be. Also the bigger the hoop, the harder it's gonna be. So I always recommend something smaller. You want something that's gonna kind of like sit right on the outside of, like above your foot. Anything longer than that, there's a plane. So just wait. Okay, so you don't want something that's super long because it's going to be dragging on the floor. It's kind of just going to be doing this motion, and you're just going to get caught, and it's going to make it really hard. So I like to have something that's a little bit shorter. It's kind of like resting on the top part of my foot. If you can see that. It's just kind of resting there, so it's not actually touching the ground. So if it touches the ground, you're gonna struggle a little bit more. Also make sure to do this move on a completely flat surface. Doing it on the grass makes it really hard. It gets caught in the grass. Definitely don't do it in the sand. Really hard. Also, you're gonna be kind of kicking sand up into your face. That's not fun either. So definitely recommend just flat surface, solid ground that you feel stable on, and that's the best that you're gonna get from this move. So again, just like something smaller, definitely helps a lot. Remember to keep your legs super tight, kind of keep that motion, you're twisting, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or want me to explain something a little bit further, I can definitely do that. This is my first hula hoop tutorial, so I do have other tutorials on my channel that are for my wand, but I've never actually made one for hula hooping. Never even attempted, so this is my first one. So if you guys like it, or if I could do something differently or explain something in a different way that would help you, let me know so that I can do that for you. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'm gonna link my Instagram account, my Flow Arts account, so that you guys can message me on there. But yeah, if you guys like the video, let me know so that I can keep making them, or I could do something differently. Let me know, guys. And yeah, I'll be on here a little bit more frequently trying to do these little videos. Hopefully it helps someone learn something, and yeah, happy hooping.